So now today we will continue with this chapter 11, the proposal, and it is written by Anton Chekhov. So now we have to start from here, page number 151. Okay, but I'll just want to give you a small recap so you can just recall your story. Okay. So as you know that this is the story of a person who went to give a proposal. Okay. So there are three characters: Natalia, Lomo, and Chumko. Okay. So here Lomo went to the Chumko's house to ask his daughter's hand. So everything was going well, but suddenly these all three people are very quarrelsome. So suddenly what happened? So these all three people have started fight with each other. Okay. So now we will see from here that what had happened in page number 150. Okay. So Lomo, we will see. I will have the matter taken to court, and then I will show you. So actually, you know what? After that, they were just discussing a lot about their widows. So Lomo said that it belongs to him, and Chumko and Natalia, they said that it belongs to them only. Okay, so after that he was alone there, but he said that he will see them where? In the court. Okay, so he said that he will see there in the court. So Chumko was very surprised to hear this. So what he said that to court, you can take it to court, and all that you can. I know you. You are just on the look out for a chance to go to court, and all that. You pettifogger, all your people were like that, all of them. Actually, you know what? When he was told that he will see them where? He will see them in the court. So because of that only he was very surprised. It was not expected from Lomo as he thought. Chumko. So Chumko was very surprisingly said what? To court. Means you will call us where? You will just send us to where? To the court. I know it very well. I know it very well that you people are just like that. You people are just like that, and you always ready to get this chance to send us where? To the court. And you people are just like a pettifogger. Do you know what is a pettifogger? A pettifogger means a person who always means ready to accuse anyone, and without any legal thing that he wanted to prove that is wrong or that is right. Okay. So pettifogger means an inferior legal practitioner whose methods are petty and disreputable. Okay. So this was the thing that happened with the Chumko. Means Chumko was totally angry at that moment. And he also started to talk about their family, that his family is just like, Miss Lomo's family is just like that. Lomo, never mind about my people. So when he heard about his people, means about his family, so he was very angry, and he said that don't talk about my family. Don't talk about my people. The Lomos have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried for embezzlement. So he said what? You know what? My people are very respectable, very honorable. They have some respect in the society. But what do you think about they have stolen anything? They have stolen anything? No, never, ever. They have theft anything from the society. And how can you say that our people is just like that? Means you just simply blame us what? We are just a land grabber. We are not like that. But your father, means your grandfather is what? A thief. Means he also means what? He also blamed his family. Chumko. You Lomos have had lunacy in your family. All of you. Means you all are mad. Means now Chumko angry very much. Now Chumko became very angry, and he started to talk like that. Means you know your family is very mad, very crazy, very mad. Natalia, She also agreed. She also just supporting her father. Yes, 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 father. They all are very mad. They all are very bad people. Chubuko. You know what? Your grandfather was a drunkard. Now think how Miss what are the things, Miss, what is the scene is created over there? Means he started to talk about his family members, means what they have done and what they are doing. Okay, so what he said that Chupko said what? Your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt Nastasia Miheliona ran away with an architect and so on. Means now you know they started to talk about what their family members, means what they have done. He said what his father, his grandfather was a drunkard. Drunkard means that you know very well, that who takes wine or liquor. Okay. And here he also told about that, you know, about think about your auntie. Your auntie is just ran away with an architect and so on. So many stories are there. You people are thinking about that you are very honorable person in the society. Don't think like it. You just think about it that what your people have done. Lomo. And your mother was humpbacked. Humpbacked means that you know about in Hindi that is called hubert, but here in English the meaning is humpback means rounded protuberance found as an abnormality on the back of a person. Means there is a means you can understand that it is not normal people that those have this types of. So here Lomo said what? And your mother has humpbacked. Means they all fighting with each other by accusing them, by saying different things like your grandfather is drunkard, your auntie is just run away with this, and your mother is humpbacked. Something pulling in my side, my head, help, water. At that moment when Lomo said this, so he said what? Something is actually, you know what, before that he was not feeling well, but then also he started to talk like that. So what he said that something pulling in my side, my head, help, water. Means at that moment he was not feeling well, so he just requested to give him water. Chubko, your father was a guzzling gambler. Guzzling means greedy. Gambler, that you know very well, the person who plays means play card or something, they win from other. Okay, that is not legal, that is illegal. Okay, so here what he said, think about your father. Means Chubko just told to him that his father was not a good person. His father was a greedy gambler. Natalia, and there haven't been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Oh my God! Now you can see here the situation. The situation was just like what? They all were fighting with each other by talking about their family members, means what they have done and what they are doing and what they did. So what Natalia said that, and there have not been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Chubugo, my left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intriguer. Chubugo, at that moment he just felt that his leg was not working. His left leg was not working, means it seemed that there is no movement in the leg. Okay. You are an intriguer. Oh my heart. Means at that moment he said what? You are cheater. You just deceive the people. You are not a good people. And it is an open secret that before the last election you worry, I can see stars. Where is my hat? Chibuko at that moment he said what? You know what? There is an open secret. Means there is nothing is there that we can hide. There is nothing that it can be hidden from other people. Means everybody knows about you that means what type of people you are. Okay. So where's my hat, Natalia? It's slow. It's dishonest. It's mean. Means here she was just also supporting her father, and she was also fighting with that person Lomo. And what she said? He is a dishonest person. Chubugo. And you are just a malicious, double-faced interviewer. Yes. Malicious means intending or intended to do harm. Means always means it was intention to do harm with someone. Okay. So Chubko said, and you know, you are just a malicious, means you always intend to do harm with other people. You always ready to intend, means you always ready to harm other people. You never think about the betterment of other people. You always think about, means this person should not be happy. Okay. And here you are double-faced interviewer. You are double-faced, means you can understand, means double-faced means what? Here at before me means you are talking a right thing, but after that you are talking about something else. So you are double-faced, and interviewer means deceive, means you always deceive people, and you are very cheater. You are a cheater. Lomo, here's my hat, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Oh, I think I'm dying. My foot is quite numb. Actually, you know what? He actually he was just very troubled at that moment, and he was searching his hat so that he could move from there to his house. So he was searching his hat. Actually, he was not normal at that moment. He was just very puzzled, and he was searching his hat, and he was asking that where is the door. He was not good at that moment, and then went to the door. Chubko following him, and don't set foot in my house again. As he goes to the door, oh, Lomo goes to the door. So at the same moment, he also followed him, and he said, don't come again. Don't come again to my house. Don't. Natalia, take it to court. We will see. Lomo is staggers out. As Lomo was going, so at that moment, Natalia also shouted on him, and she said, what? Take it to court. Now we will see in the court this matter. Okay. Chubko, they will take him. Now you can understand that what at that moment they all became very angry. Means that was a very horrible situation, horrible condition. And at that moment when he leaves that place, so at that moment Chubko also cursing him, what? Go to hell, or devil take him, or what devil, means whatever the things were coming in his mind, he was just cursing. Okay. So Natalia, what a rascal! What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? So Natalia said, what? If these types of people will be living in our society or living in our neighbor, so we cannot believe on anyone. So she also just blamed, what a rascal, means she abused him, and she said that what type of people he is, and how can we believe on other people in our surrounding or in our neighbor? Chubko said, what? The villain, the scarecrow, means they all, means father and daughter, they all were just abusing Lomo. Natalia, the monster, first he takes our land, and then he has the impudence to abuse us. And now, you know what? First, two things happened here. What? First he just takes our land, and he was talking about what? He was just abusing us. He was just talking that it is his, not ours. So they think, what type of people he was? Monster. Chubko, and that blind hen, yes, that turning ghost has the confounded chick to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal. So at that moment, you know, as he just left that, Lomo just left that house. So at that moment, they, father and daughter, they were talking about that person, that how he was, means behavior and talking all that. So at that moment, her father talked about what? That he came here for what? For proposal, to propose you. So, and that blind hen, that turning ghost has a confounded chick to make a proposal. Means how he dared to propose, means how he dared to come here to propose you and all that. What? Proposal. Here Natalia was very surprised. Actually, she did not know about it that he came here to propose her. Actually, she was informed to go there that some merchant was there to get some goods. Okay. So she was very surprised, and she said, what? Proposal? Yes, Chubko said, why he came here to propose to you. And then he informed her Why, miss, why he had come here to miss propose you? What is, miss, what type of people he was? He should not have to come here to propose to me. Natalia was actually very, very surprised. She was actually, means she did not know about it that he was there to propose her. He was there to propose her. So she was very, very surprised to listen this that he was there to propose her. Why didn't you tell me so before? Actually, she was very, very confused at that moment, and she asked her father why didn't he tell her before. Chupko. So he dresses up in evening clothes, the stuffed sauces, the wasn't waste from. So because of that only he just wore this dressing sense, means all that, so that anyone can impress with this. Okay. Natalia, to propose to me, falls into an easy chair and wells. So when she heard about it that he was there to propose her, somewhere she also likes him. So because of that, she also loves him. So because of that only, she was very surprised. She was very surprised to hear, and she just slowly sit. She would just slowly sit on the chair, and she was just talking that to propose to me. Bring him here, and she asked her father, just go and bring him here. Bring whom? Here. Means you're talking about that people. That people we just abused him. That people we just fought with him. That people you're talking about that we just I should go and bring him here. Quick, I will fetch him. His tricks means what? Means madly she cries, and what she told at that moment, please go, quick, bring him here. Chupko, what is that? What is the matter with you? Clutches at his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am. I'll shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for her. Okay. When he heard that he had to go and call that person, that Lomo. So at that moment, what was his reaction? He just thought about it. Means what? What is that? And what is the matter with you? Means recently, we both talked. We both fought with him, and we both accused him, blamed him, and how you know that how we just fought with him, and you're talking that I just go and call him. It's better that I should call myself, shoot myself, and I'll just hang myself. Natalia, I'm dying. Fetch him. So, at once. Don't tell means don't shout. Okay. He runs from there to call him because she was dying. She was just very, very nervous at that moment, and she just wanted to bring him here only. Natalia. What have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him back. Means, after that, he just runs to catch him, and then he went. So he's coming and so on. They will take him out, talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Okay, he's coming, but only you will talk to him. I am not going to talk with that people. Only you will talk to him. Okay? Fetch him. He's coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden. Lord, to be the father of a grown-up daughter. And now, he was also accused, means he was just also blaming him, means he was also blaming himself about to become his, being her father. Means she is grown up. She's just 25 years old, and she behaved like this, and again she's talking that means I should go and call that people. It is better that I will cut my throat. I will indeed, we cursed him, abused him, drove him out, and it is all about you. It is all about, means it is all you. But Natalia said, no, it was you. Means they all were fighting with, that is already mentioned that these all three characters are very, very quarrelsome. They always ready to fight with each other, even a very petty souls. Then also, I tell you, it is not my fault. Now you talk to him yourself. When Lomo appears there, when Lomo just came back and when he appears there, so at that moment he said that now you just talk to him, I'm not going to talk to him. And remember, it's not my fault, it's your fault. It was your fault. So Lomo enters exhausted. Means then curtain rises. So after that, Lomo enters exhausted. My heart is palpitating awfully. My foot is gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. And you know what? After that, when he enters there, so after that, he just said what? Means his heart is beating very fast. Means his heartbeat is very fast. And at that moment, what? He was not feeling well. And he just felt that he was totally exhausted, means tired, means he was unable to stand also, means totally he was tired, exhausted. So Natalia said, forgive us, Ivan Vasilevich, we were all a little heated. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours, not ours. Okay. When he came back, so at that moment, she was just regretting. She was regretting and she said what? It was not his mistake. It was their mistake also. Why? Because they heated. They heated means the atmosphere that the moment, the scene was very, very hot. Hot means what? There was a hot talk with among them now. So because of that only he was she was feeling very regretting at that moment. And she said that I'm very, very sorry, because at that moment we all were very, very angry, and we are very, very sorry. And here I accept it. Here means what? That Oxen Meadows is not ours; it is yours only. My heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. So here, once again, he said, you know what? My heart is beating very fast, very awfully. I believe that meadows are, even he was just talking about his health. Then also he was talking about that meadows and his eyebrows twitching, means that was a moment in both eyebrows. Okay. The meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Do sit down. They said we were wrong. Okay. So here again she said that yes, I know that belongs to you only. That belongs to you only means that meadows is not our, that meadows is yours only. And here, please sit down. And they sat there, and then again she said that we were wrong here. I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. And here again he started, and again he said that what? He was actually talking about the principle. He was the man of ideal. He was the man of word. So because of that only, even though he just talked about that the land was not so much worth for him. Then also he was talking about the word that he told at that moment. It means principle, ideal. Okay. Yes, the principle. Just so. Now let's talk of something else. Actually, she just wanted to talk about another topic. Because of that only, she called him back there now. So she wanted to start that topic so that he could propose her. Okay. So because of that only, she was just trying, and she said that what? Now let's talk of something else. Lomo. The more so as I have evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your grandfather's grandfather's peasants. And again he started to told all that thing that he already told earlier. Okay. Then, yes, let that pass. aside. I wish I knew how to get him started. Actually, she said, yes, I know very well. But she just moved aside and she said, what? How can she ask him to start? How can she just asked to him that so that he could what? Propose her. So actually she just wanted that he should come to the point as he came, as he has come. Okay. Actually at that moment they all forgot about the proposal. They all forgot about the proposal. So because of that only she just wanted that she should talk about the proposal. Are you going to start shooting soon? Then again, she just wanted to change the topic. So because of that only, she just talked about the shooting, when he was going to start his shooting. Shooting that you know about. Okay. Lobo. I'm thinking of having a go at the Black Hog honored Natalia Stepanova after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Actually, as you know that they were a farmer, so because of that only they were talking about that after the harvest, means he will go somewhere so that he could have some sorting. Okay. Oh, have you heard? No, he was just talking about something else. Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog, guess is the name of the dog, who you know has gone lame. So after that, he just changed the topic. He just talked about after the harvest he will go. But suddenly he just remembers something about his dog. So he started to talk about his dog. That his dog's name is what? Guess. And he has gone lame. Means he was not good on his leg. What a pity. Why? Miss, she just asked, what happened with him? What happened with your dog? Guess. Is everything is alright? So Lomo said, I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. So actually he didn't know about what had happened with this dog, or he was just guessing that his dog leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense. Means he said that that was the best of the dog. Means you can say that he never takes anything from me, but here it is the best of for me, and here I give Mironov 125 rubles for him. Means actually he just purchased from Mironov only for 125 rubles, but after that nothing he has expended. It was too much. Ivan Vasilevich at that moment once again Natalia said what? It is not, it was too much, Ivan Vasilevich. I think it was very cheap. He is the first rate dog. But here again they were talking about the rate of the dog. Means she said that it was very costly, but he said that it was very cheap. Natalia said what? Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer. Squeezer is her dog. Okay. And squeezer is heaps better than guess. So she said that you know what, we have also a dog squeezer, and Papa had given only 85 rubles for that squeezer, and I believe that squeezer is better than guess. Means again she talks about what? Again she compared her dog between her dog and his dog. Guess and squeezer, means who is better? So according to her dog was better. Means her dog is better, and his dog is not better. Squeezer better than guess? What an idea. Squeezer is better than guess? Means he was surprised. Means he was just talking about that squeezer is better than guess. No, I cannot believe it. Okay. Of course he is better. Of course, squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree, he is better than anything that even Wolczewski has got. So he just talk about that. You know what? Remember one thing. Yes, I can say that he is better because he is very young, and he is just developing a very little. Means slowly he is developing. But if we talk about that points and pedigree, so that is very better. even talk about that Volsensky has got. So now again they had started. Again they had started fighting with each other. Excuse me, Natalia Stupnova, but you forget that he is overshot, and overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. So now again they fought with each other, and they were talking about, they were just comparing their dog, that whose dog is better. Whose dog is better. So I hope that till here you have understood. Thank you so much, class.